Hello everybody, this is Dr. David here.
I'm Dr. Ian.
We're from Chiropractic Chiropractic in the Hunter Valley practice. So today we'd like to discuss about safety of chiropractic with you guys. So we know that while you're watching this, we know that 99% of the chance that you're already one of our practice member, but you can share this information with your friends and families that are a little bit hesitant because of, is it safe? I don't know whether this is for me. So what we'd like to talk about is that there are a lot of research in regards to chiropractic safety, and we can actually say that the serious harmful events are extremely rare that could occur in chiropractic adjustments. And we're going to share some research about this with you. So we know that different chiropractic practice or even individual chiropractors uses a variety of different techniques with their patients. So for example, a bit of soft tissue that potentially we share some skill base with a massage therapist, we share some skill base with a physiotherapist. Obviously we have our own tweak, but it's actually quite, in moderation, it's not too harmful, as in more people worry about menu adjustments, that's what they worry about. So we do have some testing before we do our adjustments to make sure that, to prevent that from occurring. So one statement that we can share with you is that chiropractic care has a very good safety record compared to most of other healthcare interventions. So Dr. Ian is going to talk about some potential risk in chiropractic with us.
I think sometimes perhaps the perception of safety is brought up because of the cracking noise, or maybe the maneuvers that you've seen on various social media, and is it safe? We're not going to get into why there's a cracking noise, but sometimes out there, quite often people bring it up, perhaps not necessarily practice members, but maybe general public, so perhaps other healthcare professionals, kind of bringing up the point that, I've heard about this on the news that after someone had a chiropractic adjustment around the neck and then a few days later the person had a stroke. So that's what I'm going to talk about. So there is a research recently in the US and Canada studying a group of patients, comparing the different groups of people who already had a stroke that may be related to the something that's been done to the neck, and to people who hadn't had a stroke at all, and whether or not like a spinal manipulation technique is going to stimulate a stroke symptoms, right, and produces symptoms of strokes. Basically it's not much. It's much of a muchness. There is not much different at all. So we can't really pinpoint that a chiropractic adjustment is going to be causing a stroke. One thing that needs to be understood as well is that when we're talking about stroke, it is actually a systemic issue. So the development of clot within the blood is probably already happening from something else that's going on within the body from a long time. So whatever that is happening, blood clots can happen. So that is what's happening, and then it goes towards the brain, or maybe it get clogged in the brain, and sadly the stroke happens. And so one thing for sure is that, with chiropractic, it just means that there's no greater risk of getting a stroke from a chiropractic adjustment compared to even like visiting a medical doctor. So it's pretty much of a muchness. We can't really say that it is unsafe.
Because we do see a lot of people that comes in with neck pain, and that could be one of the symptoms pre having a stroke, like before you get a stroke, right? So you're getting a bit of discomfort there, you're trying to see someone, you could have ended up going to a medical doctor as well. So this research, what they want to point out is that there is no greater risk for you to visit a chiropractor compared to when you go and visit a medical doctor, in that sense of stroke. So if you have any questions, is there anything to add?
No, I just want to say chiropractic is safe. Come along, it's better get checked. and get adjusted
Absolutely.
by a proper qualified chiropractor. So yeah, it's safe.
Have a great weekend, everyone.
Come on down. Bye.